Hello, I'm Dr. Merchant with UCLA Health's Adult Asthma Program in Thousand Oaks. In this video, we will discuss how to use a peak flow meter. A peak flow meter helps you monitor your asthma by measuring how well air moves out of your lungs. Follow these steps to use it correctly. Step 1. Prepare the peak flow meter by moving the indicator to 0. Standing up will give you the most accurate reading. Step 2. Take a deep breath in. Step 3. Put the mouthpiece into your mouth. Make a tight seal around it with your lips. Step 4. Blow out hard and fast in a single breath. Step 5. Look at the number on the scale where the indicator has stopped. This is your peak flow reading. Step 6. Perform the test 3 times and record the highest reading. Step 7. It is important to keep track of your readings over time and share them with your provider.